Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Instacart, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Instacart into the search bar. Click on the official Instacart website link. Once the home page loads, locate and click on sign up in the top right corner. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password to secure your account. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Next, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to enter your phone number for verification. Type your phone number and click Send Code. Check your phone for a verification code. Enter the code in the designated field on the website. Click on Verify to proceed. Now, provide your delivery address. Enter your street address, city, state, and zip code. Click Continue once all information is entered. You may be asked to select your preferred store. Choose the store you would like to shop from. Review your information to ensure everything is correct. Click on Create Account to finalize your registration. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Instacart. You can now start browsing and shopping for groceries online. Explore the website to become familiar with its features. Enjoy the convenience of having groceries delivered to your doorstep. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.